Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Dorable, how to create a website for your resources business on Dorable, easy and quick. So first of all, let's type Dorable and search. So as we know, Dorable website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. Also, we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with AI. The AI website builder can generate an entire website with images and copy in seconds. So first of all, let's sign in. Now create your new business. So let's sign in with Google. Create new business. Now enter your business name. Now select your industry. And now enter your location and choose your website language and create business. Now wait a few seconds to generate this website. So first of all, let's go to the first section. This is the header. So now if you want to change the site name, also here if you want to turn this on and upload the file. So if you want to change the label, and if you want to add a link here, so now you can manage your social links here. Also here you can add the channel and select the type of the social link, and here add your link, and that's it. Let's save this. Now if you want to add a section, you can add it from here. Now you can select any section you want, and that's it. Let's move on to the next section. This is the next section. You can edit from here. Now if you want to change this, just click on regenerate and it will be regenerated. Also if you don't like the subtext, you can regenerate it from here. If you want to turn this off, or if you want to turn it on and add a label here. Also if you want to add a link, so I'm gonna turn it off. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the text and image section. So if you want to regenerate the text, just click here. If you want to regenerate the image, also click here. Now if you want to manage the image position from here, if you want to add or change the label from here, and that's it. Here you can change or add a link. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the list of the website. If you want to change this, if you want to manage your display settings, here you can choose what will be displayed for each list item. Here you can manage this settings. Also here you can manage your list items settings. If you want to add list item, you can generate image. You can manage image position, and here if you want to generate the title, and if you want to generate the content, now here just choose, or you can manage or edit your type of the writing. So here if you want to add a label, you can turn this on and add link. So I'm gonna turn this off. So that's it. Let's save this and let's move on to the next section. This is the testimonials section. You can add the testimonials here. You can generate a code. Also here, if you want to generate by who, and here you can upload a file or image. So let's save this, and let's move on to the next section. Here is the gallery section. You can edit it from here. You can change this. Also, if you want to generate image, so if you want to upload image from browser, so if you want to upload image from library, let's pick some image from here. I'm gonna choose this. So let's, for example, let's pick this picture. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. Next section is the location section of the website. If you want to change this, also if you want to change your business address, and if you want to add additional text file, here you can add the title and you can add the content here. So let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the contact form section. You can edit it from here. Now here you can generate the text, or you can edit it just from here like this. So now let's save this. If you want to manage files here, if you want to turn this on and custom input labels, and that's it. Here you can generate the form success message. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. This is the footer section. You can edit it from here, the last section of the website. If you want to change the business name, here you can turn this on and upload a file. If you want to add additional details, and here if you want to turn this on and add a label, I'm gonna turn this off. If you want to manage your social link settings from here, and that's it. Here you can add a channel and choose the type, select the type of the social link, and here add your link, and that's it. So let's save this. If you want to regenerate the content of any section from here, or if you want to generate the style, if you don't like the style, you can regenerate it like this. If you don't like the entire section, just select entire section and it will be generated. So if you want to duplicate this section, you can duplicate it from here. So if you want to delete, just click on this delete icon, and if you want to move it up from here, move it down, move it down. So that's it. Let's save this and wait a few minutes, a few seconds. Now you can publish your website, easy and quick. So now here you can just click publish and you can publish your website and get a free custom domain name. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.